we will break the record of China of most populated country till 2024. So on this World Population Day, I just want to say जनसंख्या एक विपत्ति है, ये विनाश की उपत्ति है. I repeat my words. 140 crores about it is our population, and we will break the record of China of most population country till 2024. Day. I just want to say जनसंख्या एक विपत्ति है, ये विनाश की उपत्ति है. Thank you and I have.
We should control the population to ensure the survival of our environment. Good morning to all. Today we celebrate World Population Day to raise awareness of global population issues. Growing population is one of the major concerns of today's world. As the world population grows, the demands for water, land, trees and fossil fuels grows, all of which come at a steep price for already endangered plants and animals. Global population growth and the destructive consumption habits of high wealth countries put pressure on biodiversity and human communities. Let's talk about India. India is the second most populous country after China. It is expected to reach its peak population of 1.65 billion people of 2060. This rapid growth for population has caused food crisis, unemployment, low standard of living, poverty, environmental degradation, and low economic development in our country. Though the government of India has taken many steps to control the scourge of population, various programs are conducted to educate the people about their rights and to adopt small family norms. Adoption of a child has become a less complicated process where women employment has been increased. All these things leads to people understanding the causes of population scourge. Ask yourself some basic question. Do you want to live with nature or in a concrete jungle? Do you want to live in scarcity of things or want proper nutrition? Do you want to live in crumbled spaces or freely? Do you want a green planet or a dead planet? So the only thing we can do is adjust our population to the resources we have. Uh, this is something that every human being can do if the necessary education and awareness is brought into their lives, and as youngster it is our duty to raise this awareness among the elders for our better future. If that investment is made, we don't have to plant trees, the planet is not in peril, it is human life which is peril. This is something human beings need to understand. I hope we wake up to this fact and do what is needed. The greatest threat to human existence is our own lack of ability to control our own growth. Thank you. Have a nice day.